What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm back in the new shop and I'm working on this 2022 Duramax. So in the last video I was just swapping the old cab and I took the rad sport off of the old one, welded it back onto this new donor cab, and pretty much got it all welded together, seam sealed it up in here. So pretty much put the dash back in here, but I want to get it on the hoist here so I can throw all the front the rad and everything else and hook up a few things on the bottom there. So I'll have to move this Equinox that I was just going to do I was doing a quick motor job on this one, but for a friend, and pulled the motor out because this one's seized up because I'm pretty sure they ran out of oil is why. I had an oil leak and I think they drove it until it just stopped. So they went and got another motor for me, or I kind of found this one on Marketplace, but I just was stripping everything down and look at it's got the guy sold this motor and it's got a huge hole in the block and it's like pushing out the side here. And it was from like a rolled over parts car, and he was trying to tell us that this damage was from the crash. I'm like, okay, I don't think so, but anyways, he just ignored us for like a week, and then I finally got a hold of him, got on the phone, and it was supposed to have 30-day warranty, so I think he's gonna give us our money back and I'll have to find another one to stick in there. But yeah, it's kind of annoying, so now I have to kind of move this out of the way somewhere. For now, it was just going to be like a quick one-day job, but kind of it turned into a little bit of a nightmare, but whatever, that's just the way she goes sometimes. So anyways, we'd like to get this interior back in here, so I'm going to move all this stuff. And also on the shop here, I went, the guy came here the other day and we spray foamed all these skylights up here, so that's pretty much all ready for some tin. And then for this side, I just had to put a bit of strapping in here for some extra support for the tins, so I'll have to go nail these up, just be like right here, right? Just so they have a little more support. So if you push up against it, or if you want to hang something, right, you have something to screw to for the tin. And then pretty much the tin will go up to the roof there, do the whole entire roof, and then cover that drywall with tin. So just ordered the tin yesterday, so I think it'll be about a week before it's all ready to go, and then we can start putting the tin up. And I mean, it'll pretty much looks so much different in here, and then it's getting pretty close, and we just have to do the loft. So the loft, we can pretty much start putting the walls up anytime. We do have to cut a hole in the cement to change some of the piping for the washroom, but that'll be pretty minor, but I'll do a video on that while we're doing it. So but anyways, let's move this stuff and maybe do a little bit of strapping and get this interior back together. Friday, so I got all the engine stuff together here, so I'm pretty much ready to fire it back up. I just need to grab a little bit of coolant tomorrow, and then this thing will be pretty much mobile again. And then as far as the rad support goes, it's pretty much all done. Just need a little bit of paint on the front here, and then the dash is actually pretty much all done too. So I was thinking about getting just a new dash panel, because this one's a little bit scratched up from the front windshield was kind of all broken and sitting on the dash there when I bought it. And then the sound under did show up here, so I gotta throw the sound under down, and then I can put the carpet back in. And I also have some black fabric for that headliner here, so that should look pretty good. And then I pretty much got to start doing a little bit of body work, and the cab can be all prepped for paint, and this thing will be starting to come together. So it'd be nice to get this one off the list too. And kind of got to decide on a color here. So I was kind of thinking I'll show you this color on the Corvette that I might paint it, or just go silver. I'll see what the price of paint is, because I was thinking just do like a black roof and then do it like in a kind of like a burgundy red. So there's this red on this parts car that I bought for this Corvette here, and I just love that color. So it'd be pretty cool to paint it that color if I have to pretty much paint the whole entire truck anyways. So, but yeah, let me know in the comments if you think I should leave it silver or repaint it red, because I could just do the roof black and then do the rest of it all silver, because I pretty much have to paint everything on it, right? So, but yeah, it's starting to get them together, and we'll get this one all wrapped up and get on to some more projects. So thanks for watching. That's gonna be a wrap for today's video, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.